Today I'm going to introduce my new air conditioner that I purchased from Amazon. This is very easy to use. Simply plug it into the outlet. You can either use the control panel or use the remote control that comes with. I mostly use the remote control, but the panel is very sensitive. There are some different functions you can choose. There is a lock for prevent kids to touch the air conditioner, and when this is on, the functions all disabled. And here's the speed that you can pick from high, medium, low to auto, swing up to down, and left to right, sleep motion, and there is a timer you can set up from 1 to 3 hours. The modes have 5 different functions, from heating, dehumidifications, refrigerations, auto, and air supply. That's easy to change. This is from up the temperature control from 17 to 32. And the best thing, I like this air conditioner because of the filter. It's washable, 4 pieces. That makes me to save a lot of money in the future to replace from those filters.